Hello everyone. I am very proud to introduce Vijay Vidyalaya School CBSE, which is located on the Salem Cochin National Highway. With the abundant blessing of God, SVC Educational Trust could extend its noble service in education by offering prestigious institution Vijay Vidyalaya School CBSE with classes from kindergarten to grade 10. The school offers world class education with Indian values and vibrant willpower. We provide proven, innovative tools not only to identify talent and aptitude but also to nurture and develop the child's all round growth. Self knowledge is the best knowledge. We are committed to stretch a hand to mold the children the greatest gift of God in this world. Open a doorway to the horizon of education, friendly, uplifting, and holistic. Provide a learning environment where the young ones, their role in life, identify their potential, grow to the zenith of perfection. Educate, equip the child with skills competent enough to face the challenges of world. At the onset of working out this mission, we are motivated with our motto Venetrate, Venture, Master, and Succeed. Our challenge, our slogan Give us a sapling and take back a tree. We have high quality CCTV surveillance camera in and around our school premises. It helps in monitoring and keeping track of activities taking place in the school premises. It helps to identify and capture any intruders or offenders. The students of Vijaya Vidyalaya School CBSE, we have conducted the Bharat Scout and Guides Tamil Nadu. The scouting and guiding mission is to contribute to the kids' education through a value system. This is based on a scout promise and law to help build a better world such that people are self-sustained as individuals and they play a key role in building a constructive society. The Vijaya Vidyalaya School CBSE aims a value-based education to the students. We have set our code and ethics to discipline the students into self-disciplined personalities. Perfect discipline is the code to inculcate ethics and imbibe values. So, a refined, noble character is equally important along with the gathering of knowledge. The latitudinal extent of our school is 11 degree and the longitudinal extent is about 77 degree. Length of the boundary wall is about 550 meters with extent of 2.03 acres in L-shaped land extent are schools. Western neighbor is Grandeur Jaguar Showroom, GST Motors, and in the east side we have Vijaya Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School. This is the Vijaya Vidyalaya School CBSE, which has the Roman architectural elevation style. Each floor have 6,500 square feet, both the admin and academic area. Total 18,000 square feet in total. Here comes the assembly hall. This is the place where we conduct the morning prayers daily. Regularly, we hoist the flag on Mondays and occasionally during the national days. This is the main entrance of Vijaya Vidyalaya CBSE. Self reliance. As Ralph Waldo Emerson, the American essayist, opines, is the ultimate aim and is our salient feature. In future, we are certain that the positions our students possess in society will make anyone feel proud of them via ourselves. This is the information board where we are displaying the information for the students as well to the parents. This is the reception lobby where we are receiving the outsiders and as well the parents. This is the principal room. Educate, equip the child with skills competent enough to face the challenges of world. So in this process of preparation, expose the child to various learning experiences where he shapes his character, probe into intelligence, nurture his talents into personality. These are all the various awards got by our Vijay Vidyalaya School CBSE students for various competitions like CCA, cultural, sports, and so on. This is the academic director room. Here, all the administration works will take part in this room. This is the LKG classroom of 27 by 21 in its size. We have well-equipped and well-furnished classroom of fully air-conditioned with smart board facility inside. We have the white board as well the green board. These are all the activities of the students as well the teachers. These are all the colorful desks and benches for the students. This is the UKG classroom. This is the entrance of the class. These are all the colorful furnitures for the students. All the activities inside the classroom have done by the teachers as well the students. We have enormous activities such as birthday charts, hanging items, and so on. Each and every classroom is fully equipped with air conditioned and the smart board facility. All the classrooms have the white boards as well the green boards too. Here comes the grade 1 classroom. This is the birthday chart of the grade 1 students. These are all the various activities done by the students in the presence of the teacher. In the green board, the amazing facts, Tirukural, GK questions, thoughts. These are all the messages given by the teacher every week. This is the grade 2 classroom. This is the grade 3 classroom. These are all the various activities done by the students. From grade 3, we have well-furnished furnitures with specially furnished racks. This is the grade 4 classroom. These activities are done by the students. These are all the art and craft activities. The blow painting, the greeting card work, everything done only by the students. Here comes the grade 5 classroom. Here are the activities of the students, the various shapes in the mathematics, the heat zones of the earth, the birthday chart. From the grade 1 and even in LKG, UKG, we have the cupboards for the students to store their books safely. This is the class 6. Through their various observation and the critical thinking method, these are all the activities have been done by the students without the help of the teachers in the various subjects. Here comes the science activity, types of magnet. And next is the motion and time, the water cycle. This is the grade 7 classroom. We have an individual furniture for each and every student. With the most curiosity and the imagination, the students have done all these activities by themselves. Here comes the activity of the method of vegetative propagation. The students have practically done at home and they have developed the result in this activity. The next activity is the collage of the tribes of India. This is how the students observe the lessons and finalizing with the activities. This is the grade 8 classroom. With their most effective and analyzing information power, the students have done all these activities by themselves. The activities such as why do we need a parliament, the production of iron ore, self-pollination and cross-pollination, the homophones. In various subjects, the students have come with the various activities which has been displayed on the wall. Here comes the birthday chart of the students. This is the grade 9 classroom. As you know more, you grow more. The students of grade 9 have done the various activities in various subjects. For example, in social science, they have done the activities such as the First World War, gender, religion and the caste, interior of the earth, and so on. This is the classroom of grade 10. The students of grade 10 have done many activities, especially in science. They have drawn the picture of the human brain, Tamil Kummi, the various social science project, the parameters of the quadratic equations. This is the grade 11 classroom, which has been allocated for the upgradation of senior secondary schools. This is the grade 12 classroom, which has been allocated for the upgradation of senior secondary school. This chart represents the star of the month. Here, each student awarded by their overall skill. These are all the achievers of the scholastic areas. In the Vijaya Vidyalaya School CBSE, we are having the 4 houses in the CCA activity. The first house, name Aryabhata. This is the second house, named Chandrayaan. Here comes the third house, named Bhaskara. The name of the fourth house is Mangalyan. This is the library of our school. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise. The purpose of the school library is to help every member of our school community, students, staff, gain new knowledge, skills, and dispositions for learning and personal development that they will use throughout their lives. We have more than 3,000 books, which includes stories, literatures, epics, teachers' reference books, cookery, paper crafts, English stories, autobiography, biography, GK question book, quiz book, all subject guides, trilingual books, newspapers, magazines in all the platforms. These are all the accession register, staff issue register, and the student issue register. We have a staff room to accommodate the teachers of all the subjects where they spend their leisure time. This is the language cum music room where the students will be learning second language Hindi. Additionally, the music, vocal as well as instrumental classes will be held here. Here comes the computer lab. This lab serves as a center for teaching computer used to hold classes, usually by a specialist computer teacher. They also use the lab with their classes for research or for creating technology-based projects. This computer lab facilitates the high-end processor with 2.70 speed, 320 GB hard disk, 2 GB RAM. This is our physics lab. Well-planned, spacious, and well-equipped physics lab has all the interesting sets of equipment to reinforce scientific and experimental concepts and facilitate in developing investigative skills. There are models, charts, apparatus, kits, and experimental gadgets to cater the needs of students. In the physics lab, students discover the law which governs a certain phenomenon or verify a given law which has been derived from a theory. This is the chemistry laboratory of our school. The chemistry lab is designed while keeping all the statutory norms and safety standards. It is well ventilated as well as spacious. It has some of the most accurate digital measuring instruments required for measuring chemicals. Here, a scientific attitude is developed in the students along with the ability to analyze, to collate, to compute, to integrate, and deduce. In the lab, the students learn to handle apparatus and chemicals. They improve their understanding of various chemical reactions and chemical processes. It enables personal verification of important experimental facts. Logic and reasoning skills that develop in this lab will go a long way in ensuring success in later life. This is the biology lab of our school. In the biology lab, the students study detailed structures, morphological, histological, and physiological aspects of plants and animals. Study of slides under the microscopes or studying the museum specimens kindles a natural curiosity towards nature and instills the joys of learning the flora and fauna around us. All the equipment and specimens that we have in the lab are open for the school students to be used under careful supervision. This is a place where our students are given a chance to discover before they are told. Children have the liberty to make models and projects by availing lab facilities. We have the human skeleton model in our lab. It consists of the various parts such as skull, shoulder blade, rib, spine, femur, kneecap, ankle bone, and so on. We have the various models and the charts in the biology lab. The various charts are female reproductive system, male reproductive system, soil pollution, food web, digestive system. This is the cookery lab as a part of co-scholastic education. We have a newly designed modular kitchen for the cooking. Teaching children the basics of cooking is a great way to broaden their knowledge of nutritious food and nutrition in practical way. Eating patterns that begin in childhood affect health and well-being throughout life. So, early education is an important step in starting children with a positive relationship with food, and this begins with cooking classes in the secondary level. Cooking with children in the school promotes the lifetime skill of healthy cooking starting at a young age. This is the math lab of our school. In the math lab, the activities help students to visualize, manipulate, and reason. They provide opportunity to make conjectures and test them and to generalize observed patterns. So, the math lab should not be used to assess students' knowledge of mathematics. Often, mathematics lab takes students' knowledge beyond the curriculum. The math lab consists of various activities such as trigonometry, angle of inclination, areas and volumes, cubes and cuboids, squares and square roots, abacus, triangle classification, and so on. This is the meeting and activity hall. Here, all the important meetings regarding the academic part will be conducted in this meeting and activity hall. Nearly 30 plus students and 10 plus teachers can be accommodated here. Physical education develops the students' motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It also develops the upper body muscles through activities like doing push-ups as well as the lower body muscles through stationary jumping jacks and jumping exercises. We have various indoor and outdoor game facilities in our school. Next comes health and wellness room. Maximum possible care is being taken of children during the school hours. The health and wellness room has been specially formulated for this very purpose. Basic first aid facilities are provided for the students whenever required. Parents are kept informed of the health status of their wards. This is the gardening area of Vijay Vidyalaya School, CBSE. The gardening helps to create a connection to food and get students thinking about where their food comes from and what it takes to grow it. It supports better nutrition in students and can incorporate lessons on healthy eating. This real world hands on learning has proven to be very popular with students and schools. In our gardening area of Vijay Vidyalaya CBSE, the students have planted more trees and more medicinal herbs. To support the broad learning outcomes, the play area space in Vijay Vidyalaya School CBSE provides area for active, free, social, imaginative, creative, exploratory, and natural play. By inviting children to use their own initiative, explore possibilities, and take chances, we provide them with opportunities to learn. We have basketball, volleyball, throw ball, shuttle, javelin throw, shot put, disc throw, skipping, kho, kabaddi, tennis cord as the outdoor games activities. Students are allowed to use these facilities in their physical education period and under expert supervision. Utmost care is taken of the safety and the fitness of each student. They are encouraged to take part in games on a regular basis. In Vijaya Vidyalaya School CBSE, a playground provides a non-prescriptive environment where children can play and develop skills at their own pace. We have the indoor game facility of table tennis. This entire room measuring about 22 by 27. We have the another indoor game facility that is the billiards. Here you can see the Subhavina Auditorium. This is the multipurpose auditorium where the wide range of functions have been taken place. This is the auditorium stage. This stage size comes as 70 by 40. The total auditorium capacity 265 by 70 in size. Back to the stage, we have two green rooms separately for both boys and girls. In this multipurpose auditorium, we have the indoor games such as tennis, shuttlecock, and also the various co-scholastic activities have been taken place in this multipurpose auditorium, such as yoga, karate, Western dance, and so on. This multipurpose auditorium satisfies the needs of the various functions and the cultural activities. In this auditorium, more than 2,000 people can be seated. This is the physical fitness room. Physical fitness class teaches children the basics of living a healthy lifestyle and reinforces the importance of staying active. During physical education, students learn the skills necessary to establish a fitness routine that they will carry with them into adulthood, offering an opportunity to get active. And I proudly introduce our Vijay Vidyalaya School CBSE band troupe. We have the two-wheeler parking facility inside the auditorium. This auditorium comprises the total strength of 2,000 persons can be seated inside this auditorium. This is the four-wheeler parking area of the Vijay Vidyalaya CBSE school. You can see the power room of Vijay Vidyalaya School CBSE. We have a facility of genset with 250 kVA of power backup with automatic panel. This is the dining area of the school. Around 125 students can be occupied at a time. A water purifier offers the water full of healthy minerals which help the students in our school to maintain the good health. This is the hand washing area. Removing bacteria and viruses from our hands is an important way to prevent the spread of illness. School fire safety is important for the simple reason that a large number of children are gathered at one place and a single fire can affect all of them. An uncontrolled fire can cause not just property damage but also huge loss in life. We have the fire safety measures in all the floors, especially in each laboratories.